I ha- this is why chickenpox can also produce herpes zoster. Next question. A patient is to receive 200 ml of IV fluid in 12 hours. The drop factor is 10 drops per ml. The nurse should regulate the flow so that the number of drops per minute is approximately. The options are A 27 to 29, B 30 to 32, C 40 to 42, and D 45 to 50. The number of drops per minute is approximately option B 30 to 32. We will see how it will come. The formula for this is number of drops per minute. Formula is equal to total volume in ml divided by 100 time in hours into drop factor by 60. So here the total volume is 200 total volume and time is 12 and the drop factor is 10 by 6. When we do this calculation, the answer is approximately 33 drops. So we will see what is drop factor. The drop factor is the number of drops required to have 1 ml of 1 ml. It is an important factor in calculating drops per minute. Depending upon the administration set, the drop factor may vary. Suppose if it is a micro drip set, the drop is bigger, so it could have 10, 15 and 20 drops. Whereas if we are following micro dip set is usually given to pediatric children, then the drops are smaller. In that case, the drop factor is 60 GTTS per ml. Next, behaviorism. The science of behavior was proposed by. The options are A. Sigmund Freud, B. Erik Erikson, C. J.B. Watson, and D. Ivan Pavlov. Behaviorism. The science of behavior was proposed by. The answer is J.B. Watson. First, we will see what is behaviorism. Behaviorism is a theory that humans or animal psychology can be objectively studied through behavioral actions. So, mainly in behaviorism, the scientist behaves are due to thoughts and feelings that cannot be observed. So, mainly here due to behaviorism only, the patient is behaving. Behaviorism's influential figures include J.B. Watson, B.F. Skinner. J.B. Watson proposed classical conditioning theory, whereas B.F. Skinner proposed operant conditioning theory. The most reliable method of measuring body temperature is. Options are A. Oral, B. Axillary, C. Rectal, and D. Elbow. The most reliable method of body temperature is C. Rectal. Because taking a rectal measurement is the most reliable way to obtain core temperature. So if we measure temperature, rectal temperature is a reliable method, which is core temperature. The most common deficiencies in alcoholics. The options are A. Riboflavin, B. Thiamine, C. Pyridoxine, and D. Pantothenic acid. The most common deficiency in alcoholics is B. Thiamine. It is vitamin B1 deficiency. One of the most common and serious types of alcohol-related vitamin deficiency is lack of vitamin B, that is thiamine, which is essential for neurobiological health. It can cause severe neurological problems such as impaired movement and memory loss, which is seen in Wernicke and Korsakoff syndrome. The most common cause of UTI is. Options are A. E. coli, B. Trichomonas vaginalis, C. Streptococci, and D. Staphylococci. And the answer is A. E. coli. The most common urinary tract infection occurs in women and affect the bladder and urethral infections. The infection of the bladder is called as cystitis, This type of urinary tract infection is usually caused by Escherichia coli, a type of bacteria commonly found in gastrointestinal tract. The commonest site of thrombosis is A. Vein, B. Artery, C. Heart, and D. Capillary. The answer is V. Thrombosis is mostly affects leg veins such as femoral vein. The three important factors in the formation of blood clot are rate of blood flow, thickness of blood, and qualities of the blood vessel. The classical signs of deep vein thrombosis include swelling, pain, and redness of the affected area. Ossification center of medial epicondyle appears in. The options are A. 5th year, B. 7th year, C. 9th year, and D. 11th year. The answer is option A. 5th year. The capitulum is the first center to appear at 6 to 12 months of age. The medial epicondyle ossification center appears next at 5 to 7 years of age. Kupffer cells in the liver are. The options are A. Phagocytic, B. lytic, C. secretory, and D. excretory. And the answer is option A. Phagocytic. Liver macrophages, Kupffer cells. The principal function of Kupffer cells is to perform scavenger and phagocytic functions, to remove protein complex, small particles, senescent red blood cells, and cell debris from portal blood flow through pattern recognition receptors. The main function of these Kupffer cells is phagocytic function. It acts as scavengers and removes some waste materials in the body. The antidote of morphine is. The options are A. protamine sulfate, B. naloxone, C. ball, and D. N-acetylcysteine. And the answer is option B. naloxone. Morphine is a powerful opioid pain medication that can have life-threatening effects in those who abuse it. It is an opioid analgesic and many of commonly used narcotic painkillers. In severe overdose situation, naloxone, it is an opioid receptor blocker, may be administered as a morphine antidote. Lactational amenorrhea is due to. The options are A. prolactin induced inhibition of gonadotropin releasing hormone, B. prolactin induced inhibition of follicular stimulating hormone, oxytocin induced inhibition of gonadotropin releasing hormone, and D. oxytocin induced inhibition of follicular stimulating hormone. The answer is option A. prolactin induced inhibition of gonadotropin releasing hormone. Lactational amenorrhea is a result of increased levels of prolactin. When prolactin levels increases, the production and secretion of another hormone, that is gonadotropin releasing hormone, is inhibited. Nursing is. The options are A. caring, B. an art, C. science, and D. all above. And the answer is D. all above. It is a science, art, and profession, and caring also. Destruction of all microorganisms including their spores. The options are A. immunization, B. terminal disinfection, C. concurrent disinfection, and D. sterilization. The option is answer D. sterilization. Any process that eliminates, removes, kills, or deactivates all forms of life such as fungi, bacteria, viruses, spores, unicellular eukaryotic organs such as plasmodium, it is called as sterilization. The diagnostic criteria of preeclampsia includes A. presence of pitting edema over the ankles after 12 hours of bed rest, B. presence of pitting edema over the ankles after 2 hours of bed rest, C. presence of pitting edema over the ankles after 6 hours of bed rest, and D. presence of pitting edema over the ankles just after bed rest. The answer is option A. presence of pitting edema over the ankles after 12 hours of bed rest. The diagnostic criteria of preeclampsia. First one is it should have predominantly hypertension. The woman should have an absolute rise of blood pressure at least 140 to 90 mm of Hg. Edema. The destruction of pitting edema over the ankles after 12 hours of bed rest or rapid weight gain 1 lb in a week or more than 5 lb in a month. And the third diagnostic criteria is proteinuria. The presence of total protein in 24-hour urine sample not more than 3 grams. Next question. The glucagon hormone is secreted by. The options are A. Thyroid gland, B. Adrenal gland, C. Pancreas and D. Pituitary gland. And the answer is option C. Pancreas. Glucagon, it is a peptide hormone which is secreted from the alpha cells of the pancreatic cells of Langerhans. The concentration of sodium chloride in our blood per 100 ml is. The options are A. 0.9%, B. 0.8%, C. 0.5% and D. 0.1%. The answer is option A. 0.9%. For 0.9 sodium injection, 100 ml contains 900 mg sodium chloride in water for injection. Infant mortality rate is defined as number of deaths of infant under the age 1 per option A 100 birth, B 100 live birth, C 100,000 mid-year population and D 1000 women of reproductive age group. And the answer is option B. Infant mortality rate is a number of deaths per 1000 live birth of children under 1 year of age. Absorption of iron occurs better. Option A on empty stomach, B after meal, C after breakfast and D all. And the answer is option B after meal. The best absorption iron supplement should be taken on an empty stomach. However, it causes stomach irritation. So many iron supplementation manufacturers recommend to take these supplements after meals. However, food and beverage such as cereals, milk, tea and coffee may decrease the iron absorption. A donor with which of the following should be permanently deferred? The options are A. Malignant disease, B. Epilepsy, C. Cardiovascular disease and D. All of the above. And the answer is option D. All of the above. The term deferred means postpones. So if a person is having these conditions, he should postpone his organ donation. Colic spots are seen in option A. chickenpox, option B. measles, option C. mumps and option D. variola. And the answer is colic spots is seen in measles. Colic spots are pathognomonic feature of measles. It can be seen for up to 2 days before rash onset as punctured white spots on the erythematous background on the buccal mucosa. These colic spots are present on the buccal mucosa. It is the characteristic feature of measles. If you like this video, please press like button, comment and then subscribe to my YouTube channel. Once you click subscription, then you will get this bell notification. Please click on to bell notification for recurrent updates. Thank you.